Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Smart Money. Imagine checking your phone and seeing a notification. You've received $100. Not rupees, dollars. And you earned it sitting in your room in Nepal. No office, no boss, no connections, no rich background. In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint to earn your first $100 online from Nepal step by step. And listen carefully, your first $100 is not about money. It's about proof that you can earn globally. Let's start. Here's the truth. Most Nepali students don't fail because of lack of skill. They fail because of overthinking, trying too many things, quitting too early. They watch 50 videos, open 3 platforms, try 4 skills, apply 5 times, then say, online earning doesn't work. No, lack of consistency doesn't work. Right now, thousands of Nepali freelancers are earning between $300 to $1,000 per month. And most of them started with the same goal, just $100. Let me show you how to do it the smart way. To earn $100 online from Nepal, you need only 3 things. Number 1, one beginner-friendly skill. Number 2, one platform. Number 3, 14 days of focused action. That's it. Not crypto, not trading, not get rich quick. Skill-based income, because skills pay forever. Step 1. Choose one skill. Do not skip this rule, don't try everything. Choose one of these high-demand skills: YouTube thumbnail design, short-form video editing, Canva social media posts, basic logo design, resume formatting. Why these? Because they are beginner-friendly. They don't require advanced English. They are in global demand. And you can learn them free on YouTube in 7 to 10 days. Important rule: mastery beats multitasking. Step 2. Practice like a professional, even before clients. Here's where most beginners make a mistake. They learn, but don't practice properly. Your job: create at least 5 thumbnails, or 10 Instagram posts, or 3 edited reels, even if the projects are fake. For example, make thumbnails for famous YouTubers. Redesign posts for brands. When a client sees proof, they trust you. No portfolio equals no money. Step 3. Create a professional profile. Now go to Fiverr, Upwork. Create your account properly. Your profile must look clean and confident. Bio example structure. I help YouTubers increase clicks with high converting thumbnails. Use simple English. Be clear, be specific, and upload your best samples. Remember, your profile is your digital shop. Step 4. Smart pricing strategy. Your goal is $100. Not ego, not status, not high prices. If you charge $10 per thumbnail, you need 10 clients. If you charge $20 per short form edit, you need 5 clients. Now tell me, is 5 clients in 30 days impossible? No, it's very realistic. Step 5. Apply daily, the real secret. This is where winners are separated from dreamers. You must apply 5 to 10 proposals per day, for 14 days minimum, even if nobody replies first week. Because momentum builds slowly, and once you get your first client, everything changes. Confidence, experience, reviews, then getting to $200 becomes easier. Let's say you sell thumbnails at $10 each. You get 3 clients first week equals $30, 4 clients second week equals $40. 3 clients third week equals $30. That's $100. And once you cross $100, you increase your price. Why this works from Nepal? International clients don't care if you're from Nepal, India, USA, or UK. They care about quality, speed, communication, and because living cost in Nepal is lower, $100 here is powerful. 7-day action plan. Day 1 to 2. Choose skill plus start learning. Day 3 to 4. Practice and create samples. Day 5. Create Fiverr, Upwork profile. Day 6 to 7. Start applying daily. Your first $100 can realistically happen within 30 days if you stay consistent. International clients don't care if you're from Nepal, India, USA, or UK. They care about quality, speed, communication, and because living cost in Nepal is lower, $100 here is powerful. If you're serious about earning in dollars from Nepal, this is day 2 of the series. Tomorrow, I'll show you how to scale from $100 to $500 per month. So subscribe and turn on notifications. Comment below. What skill are you choosing? Let's build income, step by step. See you in day 3. Thank you for watching.